In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset App Store balance to $0 on iPhone. Right up front, there's an important truth to know. You can't manually reset your App Store balance yourself. Only Apple support can review and in special situations clear a remaining balance. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reach the right place on Apple's official website and what to say so you can get help fast. Start by opening a web browser on your iPhone, like Safari or Chrome, and go to getsupport.apple.com. Sign in with the Apple ID that has the balance you're trying to resolve. It helps to confirm you're using the correct Apple ID before you begin, since Apple support will look at that specific account. Once you're in, scroll until you see the section to choose a product and select your device, such as iPhone. This makes sure you're routed to the support options that apply to purchases and billing on your phone. Next, scroll to find subscriptions and purchases. Open that, then choose the option related to enable purchases or purchases not working, and tap continue. Don't worry if the label isn't an exact match for your situation. The goal is to get to the payments and purchases support flow. On the next page, keep scrolling until you find Get More Help. It may be near the bottom. Tap that to move beyond automated suggestions and connect with a specialist who can actually review your balance. Now choose how you want to talk to Apple support. Depending on your region and the time of day, you'll see call us or chat. Pick what's available. When you connect, clearly explain that you want your App Store balance reset to $0 and that you're unable to spend or remove the remaining amount. Keep it short and specific. The advisor will review your account and guide you from there. In some cases, they may be able to manually clear or otherwise resolve the balance issue. People usually need this when they have a tiny leftover balance they can't spend, a balance that blocks Apple ID changes, billing or region related issues after moving, or restrictions on the account that prevent using funds. A quick final note to save you time. You cannot reset your App Store balance from settings, and there's no hidden button in the App Store to do it. Only Apple support can help in special situations, and you should always start from the official website at getsupportapple.com. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and